be installed on 24-inch on center? The answer is no. With GoBoard, any of the GoBoard products, you're going to want 16-inch on center for your stud spacing because of deflection. Does GoBoard act as a vapor barrier, or does that have to be installed separately? GoBoard does not need a vapor barrier unless you're going to do a steam shower. And in that case, you're going to do a vapor barrier on top of GoBoard, or you can use GoBoard PRO, which is rated for steam showers. Straight from here. Straight up. Do I need an additional waterproof liquid membrane or vapor barrier when I'm using GoBoard PRO? No. Grab my circle. I'm talking to myself. Does your mixing valve seal fit all mixing valves? Our mixing valve seal is one size fits most. Be sure to check with your manufacturer for the specifications.
That was great.
Getting better at it. There we go. How do you remove or clean off GoBoard PRO sealant? Well, we all know this is construction, and sometimes you get PRO sealant in places you don't really want it. So let it cure. You can try WD-40 or a hand sanitizer, and sometimes we have seen good results getting it out of those places. Do you offer other drain grades and finishes? The answer is yes. We absolutely offer different finishes and grade styles that'll all fit in our GoBoard point drain system. How long does the PRO sealant have to cure before installing tile? GoBoard Pro Sealant is moisture curing, so depending on the climate you're installing in, you could be installing in as fast as 45 minutes to an hour.